Hello everyone, it's me Sabin Shrestha and I'm an undergraduate student. Today I'm going to talk about the service which I experienced when I visited the hotel during holidays. For visit, I searched hotels located near the visit location on the Google and I found one of the hotel and I booked the hotel and I called them to confirm my booking, but how the receptionist responded was beyond my expectation. She kept me on a hold for a long time, and while responding, also she was talking to other people at the same time, which seemed to be non-dedicated interaction. Being a student of hospitality, what I read on course and what customer will want is different from the situation. Customer want quick and dedicated interaction with rapport building tone of voice. And the research shows that a good conversation is 7% use of careful words, 38% tone of voice, and 55% body language. Similarly, hotel receptionist and guest interaction is main determinant of conversion of guest to customer of hotel. So from my experience and what I read on course, I'll suggest manager to train their staff, create specific customer service guidelines for employee, and always keep customers in first priority again. Now I'm going to talk about my service experience as a guest in the hotel. When I reached the hotel there I didn't find a warm welcome. Staff were not responding and it was very difficult to differentiate the staffs and guests. The research shows that the genuine behavior of staff add value to the experience of guests. You will find it friendlier and will become repeated customer. So I want to suggest the manager to develop proper hotel equity and train their staff according to this and always place trained staff on front end of service. Similarly, they need to implement proper dress code to their staff so that guests can differentiate staff and guests. Last but not the least, I'm going to talk about the staff and service design of the hotel. There seems to be poor coordination among the staff and the manager because the staffs were not properly responding to the command of the manager. Service delivery and service design was very poor and seems like the staff were untrained on what they were doing and they also don't know what they are doing. Many research shows that the hotel service design enable better value to customer and team. Similarly, to have competitive advantage over other similar firm, the firm should implement new service. Thus, the main purpose of service design is to create service that is valuable to the customer. So I want to suggest them to recruit those staff who have good customer relationship, empower their staff according to the abilities, and develop organizational commitment among the staff. At last, I have a few recommendations for the manager to address their overall drawbacks. First, they need to make their booking process easy by using modern technology. Second, they need to train their receptionist how to deal with customer and they also need to train the front desk employee. And the third things need to develop the hotel etiquette and train all their staff. And the fourth thing I want to suggest to keep customer satisfaction on priority list before profit. And because the customer satisfaction is the first and last impression, fifth, enable guest staff interaction so that the guests get friendly behavior at hotel and hotel get friendly feedback from their guests. So and the feedback provided by the guests should be always taken on the positive side. Last, always empower the staff and keep those people in leadership who has high emotional intelligence and care about the staff and the vision of the hotel. Thank you for watching my presentation.